Most people think buying a robot is a luxury expense, a high-tech toy that slowly loses value in the corner of your room. But what if I told you that your first personal robot isn't a cost, but a profit machine? Imagine waking up every single year with an extra $10,000 sitting in your bank account. No, you didn't get a promotion, and no, you didn't win the lottery. You simply stopped the invisible financial leaks that are bleeding your wallet dry right now. In the next 20 minutes, we are going to dive deep into the exact math of the robot ROI. We're moving past the sci-fi hype and looking at cold, hard numbers that prove automation is your best investment. From your kitchen to your utility bills, I'll show you how a robot pays for itself and then some. Before we unlock the first $1,000 of savings, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel and keeps you ahead of the future. Now, let's reveal the money you're losing every day without even realizing it. Take a second to look at your daily routine and the convenience tax you pay every single day. Because you're exhausted from work, you order expensive takeout. Because you lack time, you pay for premium shipping on basic essentials. You hire someone to mow the lawn or clean the windows because your weekend energy is non-existent. Individually, these small $20 or $50 costs feel insignificant, but over a year, they form a massive, hidden hole in your financial freedom. The problem isn't laziness, it's that your home is a manual system struggling in an automated world. We've reached a tipping point where the monthly cost of owning a robot is officially lower than the cumulative cost of your burnout spending. By the end of this chapter, you'll see why the invisible drain is the biggest enemy of your savings. A personal robot isn't just a helper. It is the plug that finally stops your hard-earned money from washing away. Let's break down where that first $3,000 of waste goes. Forget the simple vacuum discs that just bump into your furniture. We are entering the age of deep maintenance robotics machines that don't just clean, they preserve. Do you know why home interiors lose their value? It's constant microscopic wear and tear from dust, mold, and improper care. When a professional-grade robot maintains your home 24/7, it's not about looks, it's about asset protection. Constant precision cleaning extends the life of your carpets, your HVAC filters, and your expensive hardwood floors by years. If you extend the life of your home's interior by just 20%, you are saving thousands of dollars in future repairs. Most homeowners spend an average of $2,000 annually on deep cleaning and minor fixes. A robot handles this for the price of a few cents in electricity. You aren't just buying a cleaner, you're buying a 24/7 insurance policy for your most expensive asset. This is proactive wealth management disguised as a household chore. The average family throws away nearly 30% of the food they buy. That is literally tossing $100 bills into the trash can. Why does it happen? We forget what's in the fridge, or we don't have the mental bandwidth to cook raw ingredients after a long day. Enter the robotic chef. This machine is an inventory genius linked directly to your local store. It knows exactly when your milk will spoil and plans meals to eliminate waste entirely. By cutting food waste and reducing the urge for expensive dining by 80%, this system saves a household up to $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year in reclaimed cash. Beyond the money, you're getting restaurant quality health tailored to your body's needs with zero effort. You aren't just saving money, you're buying back your health and your time. No more grocery stress, no more wasted food, just pure financial and physical efficiency. The most expensive word in any language is oops. A tiny leak you didn't notice behind the wall can turn into a $5,000 mold disaster. A fraying wire in the attic is a fire hazard that could cost you everything. Personal robots equipped with thermal imaging and acoustic sensors act as your home's constant guardians. They hear the hiss of a micro leak before it becomes a flood. They sense the heat of an overloaded circuit before it sparks. Think about the repair tags. We usually only spend money when things break, which is when the price is highest. By catching issues in the micro phase, a robot saves you from the catastrophic bills that ruin a yearly budget. Professional inspectors are expensive and only visit once a year. Your robot does the job every single night while you sleep. It is the ultimate peace of mind that pays you back in avoided disasters. Have you ever looked at your monthly electric bill and felt a punch in the gut? Most of that money is wasted on heating or cooling, empty rooms, or appliances running on standby. A personal robot acts as the brain of your home's energy grid. It doesn't just turn off lights, It uses thermal sensors to track heat loss through windows and adjust smart blinds in real time to use the sun's natural warmth. It coordinates with the power company to run heavy tasks like laundry or dishwashing, only when electricity rates are at their lowest point of the day. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a systematic reduction of your utility costs by up to 40%. Over a year, this precision management can put nearly $1,000 back into your pocket. You are moving from a dumb home that consumes to a smart asset that saves. But saving on electricity is just the beginning. Wait until you see how robots replace the most expensive tutors in the world. Education is the greatest investment, but it's also one of the most expensive. Private tutors for languages, coding, or music can cost $50 to $100 an hour. Now, imagine a personal robot equipped with advanced AI that provides 24/7 one-on-one instruction for every member of your family. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't lose patience, and it adapts its teaching style perfectly to your brain's learning speed. Whether your child needs help with calculus or you want to master Mandarin, the robot provides instant feedback and immersive practice. By replacing just 2 hours of private tutoring a week, you are saving over $5,000 a year. This levels the playing field, giving your family elite-level education without the elite-level price tag. If you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to comment below which skill you'd want a robot to teach you first. The most frightening financial drains are the ones we never see coming. Medical emergencies. Most hospital visits are the result of chronic issues that weren't caught early enough. A personal robot changes the game by acting as a live-in medical assistant. It uses non-invasive sensors to monitor your vitals, sleep patterns, and even changes in your gait or speech that might signal an oncoming illness. It ensures you never miss a medication dose and provides data-driven reports directly to your doctor. This proactive health model can prevent thousands of dollars in emergency room fees and long-term care costs. You're not just living longer, you're living without the constant fear of a sudden, bankrupting health crisis. We are shifting from fixing health to maintaining it, saving your body and your bank account simultaneously. Think about how much money you spend just moving things around. Delivery fees, gas for quick errands to the store, and the wear and tear on your car for small trips. Personal logistics robots, small, autonomous units are taking over these micro errands. Instead of driving 5 miles for a forgotten ingredient or a prescription, your personal unit handles the trip at a fraction of the cost. These robots can also facilitate a sharing economy within your neighborhood, picking up or dropping off tools and goods without anyone ever starting an engine. By eliminating small trip fuel costs and delivery markups, you're saving hundreds of dollars annually. It's about total efficiency. Every mile you don't have to drive is money that stays in your pocket. But the real wealth comes when you realize that your robot doesn't just save money, it actually generates it. Think about what makes a house premium. It's the smart upgrades. In the near future, a house integrated with a personal robot won't just be a smart home. It will be a managed asset. When it's time to sell, buyers aren't just looking at square footage. They are looking at the operational efficiency of the building. Having a robot that has maintained every pipe, filter, and floor for years creates a verifiable history of care. This can increase your home's resale value by 5 to 10%. You are turning a depreciating living space into a high-tech investment that pays dividends when you move. The robot-certified home will be the gold standard in real estate. It's like selling a car with a perfect service record, it commands a much higher price. You're not just living in the future, you're building equity in it. We've talked about physical savings, but let's talk about your most valuable resource, time. The average person spends over 2 hours a day on mundane household chores. That's 14 hours a week, basically a part-time job that pays you $0. If your time is worth just $20 an hour, that's $14,000 of human capital wasted every year. When a robot takes over those tasks, you aren't just getting a clean house, you're getting your life back. You can use those extra hours for a side hustle, learning a new high-value skill, or simply resting to prevent burnout. This is the ultimate result with low-effort formula. You are effectively buying back your freedom. Every minute the robot works is a minute you can use to generate wealth or create memories. How would your bank account look if you had an extra 700 hours of peak productivity every year? Insurance companies are experts at calculating risk. They hate surprises like floods, fires, or burglaries. A home with a 24/7 robotic guardian is a home with significantly lower risk, Just like having a security system or a smoke detector lowers your premiums today, having an active maintenance robot will be the next big discount. Companies will offer robot-enhanced premiums because they know the robot will shut off the water the second a leak starts. They know the robot will alert the authorities the moment an intruder is detected. Over time, these insurance savings add up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars. You are essentially getting paid by your insurance company to own a robot. It's a win-win. The insurer avoids massive payouts, and you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Safety isn't just a feeling, it's a financial strategy. We've all been there. A door that won't close, a loose cabinet, or a simple plumbing clog. Usually you have two choices. Spend your Saturday struggling to fix it, or pay a contractor a $200 minimum visit fee. A personal robot equipped with a database of every repair manual ever written becomes the ultimate DIY master. It has the precision to fix things perfectly the first time. No more trial and error. No more expensive professional bills for tasks that take 15 minutes. The robot handles the minor repairs that you usually ignore until they become major problems. By eliminating the need for outside labor for basic home maintenance, you save an average of $1,500 a year. You are turning your home into a self-healing system. If you want to see how these savings build into a fortune, stay tuned for the final chapters, and make sure to subscribe for more tech insights. Think about every subscription you forgot to cancel or every bank fee that slipped through the cracks. Your robot isn't just a physical helper, it's an integrated AI financial auditor that lives in your home. It monitors your family's spending habits in real time, constantly hunting for better deals on everything from insurance to internet providers. Most people lose hundreds of dollars a year to subscription creep, where tiny monthly costs add up to a massive drain. The robot identifies these leaks and asks for your permission to cut them instantly, showing you the data instead of just telling you to save. It's like having a full-time accountant who never sleeps and knows your financial goals perfectly. By optimizing your tax deductions and moving idle cash to high-yield accounts, the robot turns stagnant money into an active asset. This is the money formula in action. You're not just saving, you're automating wealth building with zero effort. Health is the ultimate form of wealth, but we often ignore it until a crisis hits. A personal robot ensures you stay in your peak performance zone every single day. It tracks your sleep quality and adjusts your environment for deep rest, meaning you wake up with the energy of someone 10 years younger. When you feel better, you work better, and your productivity skyrockets. Productivity isn't about working more hours. It's about the value you create in the hours you have. By reducing chronic stress and ensuring perfect nutrition through customized meal prep, the robot adds years of high-income productivity to your life. Imagine the financial impact of working 5 extra years at your peak salary instead of retiring early due to health issues. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars in lifetime earnings saved from the health drain. This is the promise of big results, small effort, coming to life. What if your robot could pay for its own electricity and then some? We are entering the robot as a service era, where your hardware becomes an employee. When you're at work or sleeping, your robot can be deployed to help your community through decentralized platforms. Maybe a neighbor needs a specialized tool moved, or the local delivery hub needs an extra unit for a few hours. Your robot can autonomously rent itself out to perform microtasks for others. This creates a steady stream of passive income that offsets the initial purchase price. It's the ultimate money formula. Your asset is working for you even when you aren't. Most owners will see their robot become cash flow positive within the first 18 months of ownership. You're not just a consumer anymore. You're a micro-utility provider in the new economy. This is how technology turns from a cost into a dividend-paying machine. Stress is a silent tax on your bank account that no one talks about. When you're overwhelmed and exhausted, you make poor financial decisions like panic selling stocks or impulse buying things you don't need. The greatest gift of a personal robot is the total removal of decision fatigue. By handling the hundreds of tiny, mundane choices that drain your brain power every day, the robot leaves you with the mental clarity to focus on high-stakes opportunities. Psychological wealth means having the breathing room to think long-term. You'll find yourself making smarter investments and negotiating better deals because you aren't perpetually exhausted. This emotional stability is the heart of our story. It's the invisible foundation that allows all the other savings we've discussed to actually happen. Freedom from chores is finally freedom for your mind. Let's look at the cold, hard math one last time to prove our $10,000 promise. We start with $5,000 saved by mastering your kitchen, eliminating food waste, and cutting out expensive dining. Then, we add $2,000 from preventive maintenance and asset protection, extending the life of your home's interior. Another $1,000 comes from your smart energy grid, ruthlessly optimizing every cent of your utility bill. And the final $2,000, that is a conservative estimate of the human capital you reclaim by automating 2 hours of chores every single day. This isn't just a theory. It is a documented blueprint for an annual raise that you give to yourself. You are essentially hiring a tireless employee that pays you to work for you. This $10,000 total isn't just a number on a spreadsheet, it is the price of your financial freedom. The most expensive decision you can make right now is to wait. Technology moves in a curve, and the convenience tax you are paying today will only get heavier as the world speeds up. Every year you delay is another $10,000 you are leaving on the table, money that could have been invested in your future. Your neighbors and competitors are already starting to reclaim their time and mental clarity. While you are still scrubbing floors and worrying about leaky pipes, they are mastering new skills and building businesses. The gap between the automated class and the manual class is widening every single day. This is your final warning. The cost of being late to the robotics revolution is far higher than the price of the robot itself. Don't let your manual habits ruin your financial legacy. The time to plug the invisible drain is right now. We started this journey with a bold promise of profit, but as we've seen, the real value isn't just in the dollars, it is in the soul of what that money represents. It represents more birthdays with your family, more energy for your passions, and a life lived with intention instead of exhaustion. We have officially closed the loop on the $10,000 mystery. The future isn't a cold, scary place. It is a bright, efficient home where you are finally back in control. The question is no longer if robots will change your life, but when you will let them start saving you. If you found this roadmap to the future valuable, hit that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Leave a comment below. What is the very first thing you'll do with your extra $10,000? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future.